Ever dreamt of breathing life into your static artwork, transforming a captivating image into a mesmerizing video? Today, we unlock that magic with Leonardo AI's incredible image-to-video capabilities. First, let's dive into the Leonardo AI platform. Head over to the AI image generation section, where your creative journey begins. The key to this transformation is your base image. Upload a high-quality, compelling image that you want to animate directly into the platform. Think of this as your static masterpiece, ready for its cinematic debut. Once your image is loaded, you'll see several fascinating controls. We're focusing on the image to video, or motion settings here. You can dictate the movement strength. This is your primary tool for controlling how much your image will shift and flow. Experiment with the movement strength. A subtle setting might introduce gentle breezes through your landscape, while intense could create dramatic camera pans or object animations. It's all about finding the right balance for your vision. Next, explore the motion brush or similar animation tools. This lets you paint areas of your image that you want to animate. Specifically want just the eyes of your portrait to blink, or the waves in your seascape to crash. This is where you define it. Don't forget to fine-tune parameters like camera motion and noise. Camera motion can simulate camera movements, adding depth and dynamism, while noise can introduce subtle, organic variations, preventing the animation from feeling too rigid. When you're satisfied with your settings, hit Generate. Leonardo AI will then process your image and the chosen motion parameters to create your dynamic video. Review your generated video. If it's not quite right, don't worry. You can always go back, adjust the movement strength, refine your motion brush strokes, and generate again. Iteration is key to perfection. And there you have it. You've successfully bridged the gap between still art and motion pictures, breathing life into your creations with the power of Leonardo AI. Start animating your imaginations today.